Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Avenger 27 RBS. A great couples unit and very popular trailer at Campkin. So this has the large electric awning with the LED lights underneath. It also has an outdoor kitchen with a plumbed sink, a fridge, and a cookout stove as well. And then you've got nice solid steps to enter into the trailer, as well as a large grab handle. You can see here in the bedroom area, we kind of got to back up to see it, but it has a barn door entrance, so a nice, really large entrance into the bedroom. And then you've got the queen size bed with storage all the way around, and then windows on both sides of the beds that do open as well. It's got ducted air conditioning through the ceiling, ducted heat through the floor. You've got this large 84-inch U-shaped dinette, so 6 adults can easily fit around that, and then it also turns into quite a large bed. Then you've got this great sofa here, which will go flat as well if you do want to use it as a bed as well, with windows all the way around. And then here, the pièce de résistance in this trailer is the washroom. This washroom is huge. You've got a nice large shower, you've got a toilet with lots of storage around it, and you've got large deep storage cabinets. So you can actually store all of your clothes in this washroom, have a shower, get dressed, all in the washroom. It's one of the best washroom layouts we've ever seen. You can see here you've got a hutch area with some shelving, and then you've also got the large TV, which does come with it as well. And then you've got a good 10.5 cubic foot refrigerated, and then you also have the glass top stove, seamless countertops, stainless steel undermount sink. The list just goes on and on and on. This is a great trailer for a couple, and you can also bring the grandkids as well. This is the 2020 Avenger 27 RBS, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, so why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.